In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Scholar for referencing. So this is actually quite simple. First, you want to open up Google Scholar, and then you want to search up an article you would like to reference. So I'm going to just type in sport, as I do over here, and then you want to look for an article, of course, that you would like to reference. So let's say I want this one, which is Sport in Society. All you have to do is, before opening it, you simply want to click Cite over here, just below this text, and it will give you a bunch of different citations or references. So we have the MLA, the APA, we have Chicago, Harvard, and Vancouver. Down below over here, you also have the options to see the bib tags, EndNote, RefMan, and RefWorks. So you can press either of these to get the citation. For example, I'm going to press bib tags. As you can see, I just got the bib tag citation for this very article. Now, of course, this is not a final citation. It may have some errors, so make sure you always double check it and see if it's actually according to the standard, okay? So that's pretty much it. That's how to use Google Scholar for referencing. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.